Yo, what's up, people? Because I'm just gonna be driving around and just pretty much just doing nothing, just relax and shit, and get away. Fucking shit. My bad. I fucking let go. I don't know what the fuck happened, but just to get away. Even though they haven't been causing problems next door lately, after my cousin showed up with his cruiser. Yeah, about to head out. Just what the fuck is this? I never seen that fucking Acura before. It's like a wagon or some shit. Shit is kind of nice.
And every day the same routine.
I think they're closed. Yeah, they're fucking closed today. The fuck is that? Oh damn. Yeah, they were closed. I thought they were open on Sunday, dude. I hate when I'm trying to park and like motherfuckers in my face. Like, stop looking at me and fucking drive so I can park.
I ain't rich yet, but I will be. Counting dirty money, got my hands filthy. Do this 9 to 5, hustle on the side. Click your seatbelt, if you down to ride. I ain't rich yet, but I will be. Counting dirty money, got my hands filthy.
Just got in. It's hot as fuck outside, man. The fuck? Yo, that pizza with that, what is it, Kazon? Whatever the heck they call it. That shit was great. I was struggling to eat that shit. First day at this new job. Let you know how it goes on the way there now. Nigga funny as shit. He driving slow. He can't keep up.
I break that up and fly this plane. Jet set, jet set, jet set, jet set till I feel it change. So my face get.
But yeah, I'm here. I'll let y'all know how my first day went. Alright, so I'm on my 15-minute break and stuff, so I'm having my logo. But yeah, so far it's pretty good. It's just a shitload to learn. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty good. I saw my homie, but she seems kind of upset. Maybe something happened today, I don't know. But about to see if I can get something to drink or something.